Hey y'all, today I'll be using the 3-strand twist method to put back in some nice beautiful waves back into this wig. So this wig, yes, is made of human hair, and it's already a naturally wavy wig, and I find that this method kind of put back in the similar, maybe not the same, but a similar wave pattern into the wig. It's the first time I'm doing the 3-strand method on this wig, and here I'm using the easy detangler brush in a downward fashion and then turning it horizontally. I heard that's actually the better way to use the brush when detangling. So the reason I wanted to do this today is because I realized, it became kind of dry, it was looking dull, and I kind of wanted to replace that with some shine and some softness, and that's what the Lotta Body setting lotion that I used actually did for me, along with the 3-strand twist method. And you see, I was kind of lacking the wave pattern throughout, especially near the ends, and that's what I wanted to put back. So check it out. But before you do, be sure to subscribe.